Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cappuccino machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. Do you need that hot cup of coffee as you run out the door? If so, then the best espresso machine for you is the Breville Express. The design of this machine allows you to start sipping your drink in under a minute. With a choice of manual or automatic operation, you are guaranteed cafe-style results every time. Interchangeable filters and the ability to grind coffee beans just moments before extraction keeps coffee fresh and aromatic. A grinder equipped with a conical burr delivers the perfect amount of coffee grounds into a portafilter. Your preferred taste is Breville's top concern. Any roast of bean can be used in this espresso machine without the worry of oils clogging up the grinder. For optimal temperature and extraction is delivered using PID, a digital temperature control. This allows the espresso machine to heat the water to required temperature and give you an espresso extraction perfectly done. Extra features include dose control grinding and dial to choose the grind size you prefer. There is microfoam milk texturing for that flawless froth. A 1-year limited warranty is available with your purchase. Moving on at number 4, we have the Gaggia Brera Super Automatic Espresso Machine. The Gaggia Brera Super Automatic Espresso Machine is designed to fall into the low to mid-range market of the best super automatic espresso machines. It will fit onto any countertop due to its compact design. A key feature of this espresso machine is the pre-infusion brewing system. This system is developed to get the most out of your beans, including the best aroma with no bitter taste. Once the beans are ground, they are tamped and soaked before the machine starts extracting all the flavor. For quick access and ease of cleaning, the drip tank and water tank are located at the front. You will have to stay on top of the cleaning, though. The components are plastic and need to be maintained regularly to avoid residue buildup and having to replace parts. A minimal amount of settings means you do not need to be a barista to get an ideal cup. You can adjust how fine you want your beans to be ground and how strong you want your brew. An opti-dose system used in this machine includes 3 different settings: light, medium, or strong. Take your pick. Adding steamed milk to your espresso, latte, or cappuccino is done with a breeze due to rapid steam technology. This compact espresso machine gives consumers a middle-of-the-pack option. The energy efficiency, compact size, and ease of use make it a great choice. While durability is low due to the use of plastic parts for assembly, this is still a worthwhile purchase for the beginning-at-home barista. At number 3, we have the Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Machine. Mr. Coffee Espresso Machine is bringing the coffee house into your home. This semi-automatic espresso machine has great features for at-the-home coffee connoisseur. To take out all the guesswork, Mr. Coffee has designed its espresso machine with a one-touch interface system. No need to think too hard before you have had your first cup. You have the option of 1 or 2 shots as well as an automatic milk frother. You will enjoy light and airy froth with every cup. Milk reservoir is easily removed in order to fill with milk and store or clean. Adjustable drink trays allow you to choose whatever size cup you want. A thermocouple heating system allows water to heat faster and more evenly. After use, a removable water tank allows easy access to refill or clean. At number 2, we have the Nespresso Pixie Coffee and Espresso Machine. Elegance and functionality come together to create the Nespresso Pixie Espresso Machine by DeLonghi. A large range of features, this machine offers a sleek, compact design with fantastic energy efficiency. The Nespresso Pixie Espresso Machine lives up to its name and reputation of producing high-end technology. With the Arancino technology, a finely textured, smooth milk froth is guaranteed every time. You can also choose the temperature of your milk froth. Hot or cold, it is your preference. If a cafe latte or cappuccino is what you are wishing for, The automatic system of this machine will make it come true. And finally at number 1, we have the CM6110 coffee system. High quality on a consistent basis is the mark of the Mealy. Equipped with a stainless steel grinder that features a cone shape, your coffee beans will experience a perfect grind. The aromatic system allows coffee grounds and water to mix evenly due to the expansion experienced while brewing. These two technologies work together to give an intense aroma with few bitter flavors. Since we all want fresh coffee each day, the Mealy espresso machine has designed an automatic cleaning system. You can actually set your machine to clean each day. Setting your machine to clean it each day or night, you will start your morning with a delicious brew. Options are endless with this machine. With one touch, you can choose the brew what you desire anytime you want to enjoy it. As one of the best espresso machines on the market, this one is designed for families who love coffee. You can prepare 2 cups at once and admire how nice it looks in your kitchen. The sleek, modern design is an eye-catching pleasure on your counter. The price point is low for this high-end espresso maker, but a little steep for the average consumer. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.